Today I'm going to show you how to get started working out at home with your baby. So here we have Ava. She's going to help us out today. Ava's 5.5 months old. It's about 5 o'clock in the afternoon and she hasn't napped at all today. So we'll see how this goes. Ready? Right, so first thing we're going to do is we're going to warm up. We're going to do some arm circles. Go both directions. We'll press our hands together, rotate. Then we're going to reach across our body. We're going to march in place, bringing your knee up nice and high. Right, now if you're able to, we're going to jump up straight up and down. But if you're not quite there, we can just raise onto our toes.
So keep me company. Swear they holding on my feet, but they not under me. The fumes on your sweater smell is so lovely. And I will never sell myself if you could buy the lease.
We're going to get started with the workout. Now the first exercise we're going to do is glute bridges. We're going to work our glutes, muscles, and our core here. We're going to go onto the ground.
Need you more when you go, I need you more every day. Keep a foot on the brake, it means I lose all control. Yeah, baby, don't lose control. I'm focused on you, baby. Lately you've been in my aim. I've been reaching out for you, still that's so far away. Looking through the smoke in the mirror. Crazy how I see you so clear. Crazy how I see you so clear. And how you make me smile.
Now the next exercise we're going to do is a reverse crunch. So we're going to focus on our core muscles here. We're going to go into the same position.
Baby, how you make me smile. Smile more when I see you. Smile less when I miss you. No, I don't want to be left alone. Oh no.
Exercise we're going to do is the Birddog. It's going to focus on your core and your stability, your balance muscles. Go onto our hands and our knees. Hands under our shoulders. Reach down, opposite This one we're going to do exercise number 4 is push-ups. We're going to have our hands a little bit wider than our shoulders. Stay on our knees. We can go up onto our feet. Lower down. Exercise number 5, we're going to do a seated baby press. We're going to sit down, legs out, grab our little baby, engage your core, sit up nice and tall, so you're comfortably grabbing them, and we're going to lift up and then down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Yeah, every girl. Yeah. Exercise number 6 is Ava's favorite. We're gonna get a light blanket. We're gonna do squats, and when you go down, you're gonna drag the blanket from their head to their toes here. So we'll squat down, and up.
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
All right, last exercise, exercise number 7. This one's going to be a plank. So you can go off of your elbows or off of your hands and just hold it for as long as you can, anywhere from 10 to 60 seconds.
All right, you ready?
So on this one, it's important to have your back flat and your core muscles engaged.
Ah, babies. Yeah. Oh, you're doing so good. You can show me your kicks.
If you like this video, please like and subscribe. And if there's any other videos that you want to see, just leave them in the comment section below. Thanks for watching. Bye.
You did so good.